Let's get real. You have an amazing offer, but your traffic is crickets. What if you could get your website in front of thousands of people for free and then put the whole process on autopilot? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate two-step combo to dominate the web. Let's dive in. Step 1, get indexed. We're starting with freeresubmission.com. Most people think you have to pay a fortune for SEO, but this site is a hidden gem. You can submit your URL to the top 50 search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo in seconds for $0. This isn't just about one link, it's about making sure the world actually knows you exist. It's the essential first step for every new blog, store, or landing page. Just enter your URL, hit submit, and boom, you're on the map. Step 2, the paid powerhouse. Now, if you want to go from an online whisper to a digital roar, you need classifiedsubmissions.com. Manual posting is a long, hard grind. This site is the easy button. They handle the heavy lifting by automatically posting your ad to thousands of classified ad pages and high traffic sites like the free ad forum. And it also posts to their exclusive email list of over 500,000 subscribers. The winning strategy is simple. Use freewebsubmission.com to get your site recognized by search engines so you rank organically. Then use classifiedsubmissions.com to flood your site with automatic targeted traffic. It's the perfect blend of long-term growth and instant results. Stop waiting for traffic and start creating it. Head to the links in my description to check out both these sites right now. If you want more marketing shortcuts, hit that subscribe button. Now, go get your traffic.